What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and excuse me, the camera is a little bit tilted. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin analysis. We have a lot to talk about in this video. If you don't know me, welcome to this channel. But what we'll do is we'll talk about the news which has been going around. We'll talk about some other fundamentals, and we'll talk about the price and what that means for the price. Today was pretty bearish. We had some pretty big bearish drops, as you can see. Not necessarily the end of bullish momentum, and you can still see. I mean, we're holding all of our bullish momentum still, but it is scaring some people, and rightfully so. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention for my new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video. So yeah, we'll talk about those fundamentals first. First of all, DXY, so the dollar strength, still dropping, and we're still going to drop down even more. So that's bullish for Bitcoin still. Apart from that, I mean, the thing is, which is kind of bad, is that in tomorrow we have the midterm elections for the United States. I'm not sure how that's going to make the market move, but it's going to make it move probably. But we're not sure how yet. And apart from that, what you can see right here on the economic calendar, where you can see all of the economic events coming. You can see that Wednesday we're going to, Thursday we're going to have the inflation rate of the US already. We just had our interest rates 2 weeks ago. Now already we're going towards that inflation rate, which is very important. So that's going to make the market move a lot. And apart from that, third piece of news is that there's some sort of feud between Binance and FTX. Binance holds a lot of FTT tokens, this token, and they have a lot, and they said that they're going to sell it, and they're probably going to sell quite a lot. They already sold quite a lot right here, and the volume keeps going up. Which is probably more people selling it, or people shorting, people buying, just more momentum. But that's why that's potentially disastrous for crypto, and that's also why I'm going to call this video like it is a huge crash coming for crypto. Excuse me. It's because a lot of loans by big institutions are backed on that FTT token. All right, so they're backed by those tokens. So if it drops significantly in price, you'll get some big institutions like Alameda Venture Capital. I forgot their full name, but they have some loans backed on FTT. So if it drops down significantly, those loans will get some sort of a risk of liquidation, which is very bad, because then they have to liquidate. They have to sell all their loans. It's crypto backed, so. That could cause some sort of a ripple effect through the entire market, and if that happens, then obviously the market is going to drop down significantly. Even though the fundamentals right now are pretty bullish actually, and the market structure is also still bullish, we're going to drop. But I don't want to scare you, because I don't think that's going to happen. The big player dumping those tokens right now is Binance. Binance cannot use a huge crash. They want to prevent that. So even though I do think they will keep selling it, I don't think they'll keep selling it if there's actually a risk of big liquidations. So I wouldn't be too worried about that. In my opinion, I still think the technicals and the other fundamentals are a little bit stronger, but this was just like scared people, which is 100% understandable. So I do expect maybe we'll drop down even lower. Maybe we'll drop down to 20,500. But I do expect that we'll stay on top of that, at least until the inflation rate numbers. All right, and then afterwards, I expect, we'll either stay consolidated, or just before the inflation rate will actually break above our major resistance again, which is 21,000, and we'll move up to 21,700. I still think that's the most likely scenario, given all the fundamentals that we know about. All right, so yeah, that's my take and my analysis on Bitcoin in this very volatile week. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening, and take care. Bye.